My favourite memory of Hendy School is the trips, and I was delighted when I won the discus competition. I want to thank all the teachers for helping me the past 7 years, and also when I grow up I want to be Olympic champion.
Pob lwc i chi gyd blwyddyn 6 yn eich ysgolion newydd. Dwi'n i gyd yn gweld eich eisiau chi yma. Pob lwc.
Hoff atgof o ysgol a Hendy oedd cael fod yn sêr yn ein ffilm pêl-droed. Roedd e'n wych. Un gair i disgrifio ysgol a Hendy ydy cefnogol. Fy gobeithio am y dyfodol ydy llwyddo ym Mryngwyn ac i fod yn chwaraewr rygbi proffesiynol.
Pob lwc blwyddyn 6! Pob lwc blwyddyn 6!
My favourite memory of Hendy School is the first day in Mr Davis's class. I had a warm welcome from everyone in the class. The teachers in Hendy School are so wonderful, so thank you very much. I'm looking forward to Bringwyn because I will make new friends and see new teachers.
Good luck, year 6!
Fy hoff atgof o ysgol a Hendy ydy ennill y Mafel Gampau gyda gwely. Un gair i disgrifio ysgol a Hendy ydy anhygoel. Dwi'n obeithio am y dyfodol yw i wneud yn da yn ysgol a fod yn fodel. My favourite memory of Hendy School is learning woodwater and reading the Swansea Spy. I'd like to thank all the staff what brought me up to this day.
Good luck, year 6!
Fy hoff atgof o ysgol a Hendy ydy mynd i Technicwest yn blwyddyn 4. Diolch i'r holl staff sydd wedi fy helpu. Un gair i disgrifio ysgol a Hendy ydy croesawgar. Yn y dyfodol, rydyn ni'n gobeithio cael fy swydd dyfodol.
Pob lwc i chi blwyddyn 6. Mae'n mynd i fod yn gyfnod cyffroes i chi, ond byddwch chi'n gred. Byddwch chi'n chi, a cofiwch, dewch nôl i weld ni. Hwyl!
My favourite memory of ysgol a Hendy is doing sports day with my teachers and having a laugh. I thank all of the teachers who taught me through ysgol a Hendy. I'm excited to go to Bringwyn to have art classes and make new friends.
Pob lwc blwyddyn 6!
Fy hoff atgof o ysgol a Hendy ydy mynd i Technicwest gyda fy ffrindiau, roedd e'n wych. Un gair i disgrifio ysgol a Hendy ydy ardderchog. Fy ngobeithio yn y dyfodol i fod yn llwyddiannus yn yr ysgol gyfun.
Hi Year 6, just wanted to wish you all the very best of luck as you make the move off into comp school. It has been a pleasure to be part of your journey through Ysgol a Hendy, and I know we're all going to miss you greatly. Take care.
My favourite memory in Hendy was competing in the football tournament, learning about World War II and going on school trips. I would like to thank all the staff for helping me through the past years. I'm looking forward to going to Ymadael, starting a chapter of my life, and I'd like to be a professional football player.
Pob lwc blwyddyn 6 i chi ble bynnag chi'n mynd i, bydd ni'n gweld eisiau chi. Dewch nôl i weld ni, falle. Hwyl fawr!
My favourite memories of school was reading Swansea Spy and learning about World War II. I would like to thank all the members of staff for helping me, and I'm looking forward to go to secondary school because they have a better choice of food.
Fy hoff atgof o ysgol a Hendy ydy cystadlu yn y Mafel Gampau. Oherwydd rydw i'n gystadleuol iawn. Un gair i disgrifio ysgol a Hendy ydy positif. Fy ngobeithio ar gyfer y dyfodol ydy i fod yn llwyddiannus ac i weithio fel arlunydd.
Pob lwc blwyddyn 6. Good luck blwyddyn 6. Gael ti.
My favourite part of being in Hendy School was learning about World War II and Martin Luther King. I would like to thank the staff for helping me through the school years. And when I go to, and looking forward to go to Bringwyn to start a new chapter of my life and to become a police officer.
Fy hoff atgof o ysgol a Hendy ydy chwarae mewn cystadlaethu pêl-droed a rygbi yn erbyn ysgolion eraill. Un gair i disgrifio ysgol a Hendy ydy hapus. Fy ngobeithio'n yn y dyfodol ydy bod yn chwaraewyr rygbi rygbi a pêl-droed proffesiynol.
Pob lwc blwyddyn chwech!
My favourite memory about Hendy School is making a movie and starring in it about girls playing football. I'd like to thank all the staff in Hendy School for helping me since I was 3 years old. I'm looking forward to go to Brynglyn so I can meet new friends and learn how to be a gymnastics coach.
Pob lwc blwyddyn chwech!
Fy hoff atgof o'r ysgol o Hendy yn cystadlu mewn y cystadleuaeth rygbi gyda fy ffrindiau. Un gair i disgrifio ysgol o Hendy yw cool. Dwi'n gobeithio yn y dyfodol dwi'n gallu bod yn chwaraewr rygbi.
My favourite memory of Hendy School is representing my school football team and scoring a goal. I'd like to thank everybody who has helped me for the last few years. I'm looking forward to going to Pontedilais Comp and I hope one day I will become a professional footballer.
Hello Year 6, Mrs Dello here, wishing you all the very best for comprehensive school. You're going to have a great time, we'll miss you all and please come back and visit us soon. Okay, hwyl fawr, pob lwc!
Fy hoff atgof o ysgol yr Hendy oedd ein trip ysgol I Gastell Hentlys. Un gair I disgrifio'r ysgol ydy hwyl. Fy ngweithion ar gyfer y dyfodol ydy I wneud yn dda yn yr ysgol.
My favourite memory of Hendy School is going to London and Windsor Castle and making it to the finals in the Earth Tournament. I'd like to thank the staff for helping me over the few years. I fond memories in this school. I'm looking forward to Brynglyn so I can start the next chapter in my life.
Helo, blwyddyn wech. Mae Mr Kelly sydd yma yn amlwg a rydw I jyst yn moyn dweud pob lwc I chi. Dwi'n ystyried bod I ddim wedi bod fel dylse fe wedi bod, ond chi wedi bod yn bryl ymdopi gyda'r popeth. Hello Year 6, it's Mrs Kenny here obviously, and I just want to say good luck to you all. It hasn't been the year that you expected, but you've done brilliantly and you'll take those skills with you wherever you go. So, ar ran ysgol yr Hendy, ar ran finne, pob lwc I chi, a hwyl fawr am y tro!
My favourite memory at ysgol yr Hendy was trips, swimming lessons, doing projects and the football tournament. I am also looking forward to comprehensive school. I would like to thank the teachers for teaching me everything I need to know for comprehensive for the past 7 years. I would like to become a professional football player.
Shwmai blwyddyn chwech, hi Year 6. Just moyn gweud bod wedi bod yn bleser I gael chi'n dosbarth dros y blynyddoedd diwetha. Fi'n gwybod mae wedi bod yn gyfnod really anodd I chi, ond chi wedi ymdopi gyda disgio adre, gweithio ar-lein, ar hubs, a dod nôl I ysgol, chi wedi bod yn ffab. Mae cael chi'n y dosbarth wedi bod, fel wedys I, yn hollol bleser. Chi ar fi'n cychwyn ar gyfnod hynod gyffroes o'ch fywyd chi yn mynd I ysgol gyfyn, a na gyd fi moyn dweud yw diolch yn bopeth a dymuno pob lwc I chi'n y dyfodol. All I want to say Year 6, as you start your exciting new chapters, is good luck, thank you for everything, and go and give it your all. Diolch.
My favourite part of Hendy School is going on the London trip and doing the JFK court case and speaking to an eyewitness, which is pretty cool. I'd like to thank the staff for teaching me all the things I know, like math and English. I am also looking forward to going comp because most of my friends used to be in the school at Brynglyn already.
So my blwyddyn chwech, I must say it's been an absolute pleasure to work with you all over the past couple of years. It hasn't been easy due to the pandemic, but I felt that you adapted so well to the online learning. I'm so proud of you, and you really accredit yourselves and your families, I must say. You're about to enter a new exciting chapter of your lives, going to comprehensive school. So cofiwch I weithio'n galed a phob lwc I chi gyd. Go for it, Year 6.